Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to perform a calculation that involves values that are on different sheets. So in my example, I've got a sales report for each month, and I want to add up all these values for all of these months in the summary sheet. Now there's various ways we can do this. I'll start off with probably the quickest way. Now you'd need to use the AutoSum function, and you can do that by clicking on this button here on the home tab of your ribbon, and that will give you the sum function. Or you can use the shortcut key Alt equals. Now what you're going to do is type the following: apostrophe, asterisk, apostrophe, exclamation mark, and then cell B2. Now I'm writing B2 because that is the cell that I want to add up across all of these sheets. Now if I press enter, it does that calculation for me. And if I look at the formula, it's actually changed the formula for me to include the names of the sheets that I'm performing the calculation across. So I'm adding up B2 in sheets January through to December. Now, if I copied that formula down and then across, you can see that it works for all of the cells. Now, another way of doing exactly the same thing would be to use AutoSum and then to click on the first sheet that you want to include in your calculation. So I'm going to click on the January sheet tab. Hold down Shift on your keyboard and then select the December sheet tab. Then select the cell that you want to add up across those sheets. Press enter and it will perform exactly the same calculation. You can copy it down and then across. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.